Hello SLHE families. Let's take a quick look at how to use the SLHE calendar. After logging into the SLHE website or app, select Calendar from the middle navigation bar or the blue icon. You'll see the middle navigation bar here. If you scroll down, here's the blue icon. Here you'll find upcoming SLHE events, activities, clubs, field trips, co-op dates, and important deadlines. Select any event to view its complete details, including the time, location, registration information, and any special instructions. You can use the calendar options to change the view or look ahead to a different date. Because events and details may be updated throughout the year, please make sure that you check the calendar regularly. The SLHE calendar is your best place to see what's happening and stay involved in our community. Let's take a quick look at an activity. Here you can see I'm in the month of July. I have a drop-down menu of months and years, or I can use the arrow to scroll over. Let's go into August. This is when our clubs and events begin picking up. You can see we have an orientation on August the 6th. The person icon next to that means that my family is already signed up. Let me click into it so you can see. I'm going to scroll down. I can go in here and edit my sign up if I'd like by clicking on the pencil. That's also going to give me the opportunity to cancel my sign up if I so choose. I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to save that change. I'm just going to back arrow out. I can also see a list of who all signed up. This is especially popular with our students. They love to see if their friends are signed up. Here you can see we have 73 attendees, and you can go through that list to see if your friends are there. I can then scroll over by clicking the arrow, or I can use the drop-down menu. I can go over to, let's go read about the Balk to the Future. I'm not signed up for that yet. This is going to give you all the information about that particular event, including fees, age limits, parking, all the details you would need. Sign-ups are actually not open for that event just yet, but you can get ready and have all the details prepared for when it does. One more handy feature that's worth mentioning is if you're signed up for an event, you can add this to your personal calendar. As you can see, if you have an Apple Calendar, Google, or whichever program that you use, if you click on that, it'll prompt you through and add it right onto your personal calendar. All right, I hope that helps everyone with the calendar events. See you soon.